So the kick functionality is all finished. We just need to tidy up a few things. First thing we can do is open up the blueprints, go to the kick hit actor, go to the viewport, select the sphere, search for hidden, and make sure it's hidden in the game. So just check this box, and then do the same thing for the arrow. So now when we kick, this sphere won't be visible in the game, and the arrow will be hidden also. I've also updated the blueprint for this character so that she uses the idle pose. So if you'd like to do that, you can go to the MetaHumans folder and open up the blueprint for this character. Go to class settings, set the parent class to BP, third person character. You will now have a new mesh created, so you can drag your body into that new mesh and then delete the old skeletal mesh. You'll also need to go to the event graph and plug the new mesh into the target of these two functions, and then you'll be able to compile and save that. Also select the mesh, go to optimizations, and make sure this is set to always tick pose and refresh bones. It'll also be a good idea just to go to live retarget, use live retarget mode, and make sure this is set to true. If you needed to change your kick animation or any of your animations, go to the animations folder. I can open the kick and you'll notice the icons are red. You can go to the content drawer, bring in the blueprint for our third person character, and then with the character selected, right click, assign actor, add selected. This is now populated and the animation is playing, and then you can just go ahead and add your keyframes and update it. And when you're happy with the changes, just right click on the body, bake animation sequence, give it a new name, so you could just add version 2 to the end of it. And then you would need to open the blueprint, go to the event graph, and then find your kick input action and make sure you're referencing the correct animation sequence. So with all of that in place, you should have the other MetaHuman in the level with the idle pose by default. You'll be able to kick them. You'll also notice we have a bit of an unfair advantage in that we can continue to kick our character or the other character over and over and over again. A little bit unfair, and we probably don't want the ability to be able to do this. Being able to kick them when they're miles away from us. So that's an easy fix. We can open the blueprint for this character, go to the got kicked event, drag off here, and just say do once. So now we can only call our got kicked event once, do the physics, and then the actor will end up being destroyed. So now when I kick, I can only kick once.